Now we are going to talk about probability. Okay. So first of all, we are going to see what is a sample space. Obviously, you know all these things, so we are just going to revise them. Okay. So what is a sample space? So sample space is for a given experiment, the set of all possible outcomes is the sample space. Okay, the set of all possible outcomes is sample space. Okay, so let us suppose my experiment is throwing, or rather tossing two coins. Okay, tossing two coins together. Okay, now what would be set of all possible outcomes? Look, I can get either head in the first coin and a tail in the first coin. Okay, or I can get a tail in the first coin or head in the second coin, or I can get both as heads, right? Or what I can get is both as tails. So my sample space, I would represent it as S, is going to be this. Okay, since this is the set of all possible outcomes for this experiment. Okay, now we are going to define what is probability. Okay, or we are going to give the mathematical expression for probability, where my sample space is finite. Okay, as you can see, I have 4 elements in my sample space. We are talking about discrete probability. Okay, sample space is finite in our case. Okay, so probability of an event. Okay, so we denote it like P of A, where A is the event. So it is given like this: P of A is equal to the number of occurrences where A occurred or where A is true. Okay, upon total number of occurrences in my sample space. Okay, so you can also write it like this: P of A is equal to the number of occurrences where A is true, which is the modulus of A, upon the modulus of S, which is your number of occurrences in your sample space. Okay, so let us take an example. Let us suppose I want to find the probability of getting a odd number when a dice is thrown. Okay, whoops, let us say when a fair dice is thrown. Okay, fair dice is something in which I do not have any biases. Okay, there is an equal probability of getting one particular number. Okay, so find the probability of getting an odd number when a fair dice is thrown. So in this case, what is my sample space? Let us see. When a fair dice is thrown, the all possible set of occurrences is I can get a 1, I can get a 2, I can get a 3, I can get a 4, I can get a 5, and I can get a 6. Okay, what is your A over here? Let us suppose A is getting a odd number. Okay, so what are the set of occurrences where you get a odd number? The set of occurrences is you